Hi guys, I am back with another unboxing of a new gadget that I have. Of course, some of you guys may have seen some of my other videos and know that I am an Apple girl. I love Mac computers. I love the iPhone. So I have a couple videos that you can check out with some of those reviews. But today I'm going to be unboxing the new iPad Pro 2022 edition. So I'm really excited about this device. I'm an artist, a graphic designer, and now I'm incorporating the two a lot more and doing more digital art. And so I've been really enjoying using my iPad, the current iPad that I have, which is an older model. I've been doing a lot of graphic illustrations, graphic paintings, portrait paintings, using the digital format on the iPad with the Apple Pencil, using Fresco and different programs like that. So before I get into a lot of the specs with the new device, let's go ahead and open it up. So I have the box here and I'm so excited. So I've had so much going on this past week. So I'm just now opening this. I've had it sitting for, I'm gonna get my scissors. I've had it sitting for a few days because I just haven't had a chance to open it up. My son had a birthday and so many events going on and work projects. So now I can focus in and get to my new device. So they have a tab that you can pull just to open it up easily. And I got this from AT&T. So I didn't get it directly from Apple. I got it from AT&T. And here is the iPad Pro 12.9 inch new device. So excited. So you have a tab here. They always make it pretty easy to just pull these tabs off so you can open it easily. And then we're going to just pop the top off and take out our iPad. So here's the device. So exciting. Do you see the size of this and how large? I was definitely working on an older model that was a lot smaller. And so for what I'm using it for with drawing, this is going to be so ideal for me. Oh my God. So heavyweight, so nice. So there we have it, the iPad Pro 12.9 inch model. And inside we have our instructions. And then we have our charger. This goes on the wall. And then we have our cord. And that's all that comes in the box. So your charger, your iPad, and your instructions. So this model, this is a 12.9 inch display. And some of the great features about this new iPad Pro is that it has an M2 chip. And so a great thing about that is that it's going to allow for a higher performance when you come to your drawings, illustrations, if you're working on multiple tabs opened at the same time, if you want to do any video editing on your device, and then if you just want to stream, you'll have a higher quality performance overall with your device. So with the M2 chip, you get an 8-core CPU, which allows for up to 15% higher performance with this device. And then you also get a 10-core GPU, which allows for higher graphic performance. And so that is so exciting for me, up to 35% higher performance for your graphic performance. And as I mentioned, I am primarily going to be using this with my Apple Pencil, doing illustrations and graphic design and digital painting. So the fact that this is going to give me a very high graphic performance is very exciting. This device comes in a lot of different options for memory. So the one that I got is 1 terabyte, And my previous device, it would not hold a lot. And I love taking photos. I have another video where I talk about the new Apple iPhone that I got. I love to take photos. I have graphic images on there. And the same goes for my iPad. And I wasn't able to really store a lot on there. A lot of my illustrations, I had to back it up and immediately delete it from my device because I didn't have enough storage. And so I'm really excited that I'll be able to work seamlessly and I won't have to worry about my device being full with all of my designs and all of my work on there. So that is very exciting for me. Another thing that is great for illustrators with this device is that the Apple Pencil now has a great hover feature. And so you can hover over your work and it allows you to preview what your stroke will be before you even permanently make any marks on your image. And so you can see ahead of time and preview it. And then it just makes it a little bit more sensitive because I noticed on my other iPad, I would have to really kind of hold down my pencil before I could get a stroke going or anything like that. So I'm really excited to work through that feature and see how it works and see if it allows me to be able to use my Apple Pencil when designing a little more seamlessly, like a realistic pencil or art tool that I would use manually. So as I mentioned before, this is a 12.9 Liquid Retina XDR display. And so this allows for the best and the brightest display possible for designs that you may do, work that you may be working on, as well as if you're streaming. You know, a lot of times I'll use my iPad just to watch movies or, you know, just look on YouTube or whatever it is that you like to do. This will make it really great. There's a really large display and it's going to be some of the crispest, most quality video images that you have. So the camera on this device is supposed to be really great, which I do not doubt at all. It has a wonderful front-facing camera as well as the regular camera that you see here. And it is an ultra-wide camera with a 12 MP sensor and a 122 degree field of view. So this is going to be perfect for all of your I don't know, whatever you want to do. If you just want to take photos with your iPad, if you want to do videos, if you want to do FaceTiming or video chats, this camera is going to be really great for all of that. I mean, you could even use this to shoot some of your YouTube videos. I'm sure it will be great quality. So there's so much that you can do just having this camera. And you can see there the camera and all of the different lenses that they have. So I'm excited for that. I did notice on my other iPad that, and it was an older device, and it took really great pictures. So with all of the upgraded features that this device has, I know that it's going to be great for all of your photo and video needs. And of course, a lot of folks are going to just be using this device to get on the internet, and it is 5G compatible. So you will be able to use the 5G connection. This is going to allow you to really be able to use this very well for any of your internet browsing needs. So the new iPad, not the Pro, comes in a lot of different color options. So that was something that I got a little confused on. I thought that I had more color options, but the iPad Pro only comes in silver or space gray. So I got the space gray, and when you see the different color options that are out now, that is for the regular iPad, not the Pro version. So you can only get this device in silver or space gray, but you know, I love this finish now that I have it. I do have one of my laptops in this space gray, which is a really nice finish for your device. And then I always get like the purple or sparkly cases because I love purple. I'm definitely going to get a keyboard for this. I didn't have a keyboard with my other device, but I want to get a keyboard so that I can do more with this. I can take it to meetings and take notes, and I won't have to pull out my large laptop. I can just slip this in my bag and unfold it and unfold the keyboard and use it almost like a mini laptop. So as far as storage goes, I'm just looking at my phone here for some of the numbers. So you can either get the 128 gigabyte, 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, or 2 terabytes. So definitely I got the 1 terabyte because I needed more memory, more storage. I felt like the 2 terabyte was a little much for me because I do back things up. Eventually, I kind of just want to keep my working files and things that I recently have created and photos. So I think the 1 terabyte will be great for me, but it's great to know that they do have the terabyte option. So it goes up to a really large storage capacity with these devices. So that is a great benefit. So let's go ahead and just turn on the device here. And we see it starting. So exciting. I know I'm going to have to charge it up, but I just want to get the first prompts that you get when you turn on your machine. Of course, you get the hello in all of the different languages. And you just swipe up. And you'll just go ahead and connect your device just as you would when you start up your new phone, when you upgrade, or your computer. So we're going to select our language, we're going to select our country and region, and then there's a quick start, which you can bring your phone or your iPad near the device to sign in and set up. And I'm just going to set it up manually because I don't want everything on here that I have on my phone. I don't want everything on here that I had on my iPad. So I may decide later to do a quick start, but for now, I'm just going to set it up manually, and I'm going to set up my Wi-Fi and get started. I'm really excited about this. Maybe I'll do a follow-up just to show you guys some of the things that I create on here. One of my goals is to do maybe a calendar for the start of the year. And so I definitely want to do like a digital art calendar. So that is one of my goals. I don't have a lot of time because we're nearing the end of the year. We're in the fourth quarter. But hopefully with this new iPad, it can make things a lot easier for me and I can work faster to get something done. So I just have a lot of things that I want to do as far as with my graphics and with my art. And one of the first steps is to make sure that you have the right equipment, you know, to make things easier, make things more efficient. So hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully you guys got a better idea of what the iPad can do, some of the specs and upgrades that this new iPad Pro has. And, you know, it just helps you make a decision on whether or not this is something that will work for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks.